Is there a danger in working with sacred plants without a shaman? Well, I suppose the New Age answer is certainly. My answer is no less danger than there is working with a shaman, I would say. I mean, you got to watch these shamans, you know. They're a fairly beady-eyed lot. It is the archetype of the trickster. Don't forget that. I mean, the notion that this is just some open-hearted little forest fellow who wants to tell you all his hard-won secrets, I mean, that's a cheerful assumption. Of course, you don't want to go too far the other way. I always have. I find over and over in the Amazon when I'm off with these people, we come to the place where now we've taken the ayahuasca or whatever it is, and I'm sitting across the fire looking at this guy, and I realize, you know, we're 4 days up this river and 2 days down this trail, and then I realize with perfect certainty that they're going to kill me right there that evening. This, you have to have a chat with yourself about this kind of thing well ahead of time, because you must be able to discipline your hind brain. Your hind brain is always telling you crazy stuff to blow your focus. And you just have to say, no, he's not going to kill me. And even if he tried, I'm bigger than he is. So, you know, and work your way out. But this thing of cross-cultural shamanism, I don't really know what to do with it. I see the shamans, noble souls, brought from the Peruvian jungles, and they do not do well in these cultures. We don't understand what a corrosive force we are. We don't understand what an air ticket to Paris means to somebody who's never been to the big town at the bottom of the river. And we tend to hold things so close to our chest that we smother them. I think it would be a good idea to leave the shamans in the jungle, and if it's so damn important to you to spend time with them, then bite the bullet. Go there. Go to them. I mean, what kind of spiritual quest is this where we fly the teacher in to a waiting group of sycophants?